Alright, this is Bugs' first pumpkin. He's throwing cheese doodles. Say hi. Hi. Yeah. Make sure I got it on him so you can see his face. Say hi, Daddy. Where's the Daddy? No, that's not Daddy, you goof. Look at the pumpkin. Want to see inside? Oh. What's Mama doing? It's a pumpkin. Oh, you see it? Gotta move your hands, baby. Don't want to poke you. I know you're ready. And I gotta open it first, honey. Almost done! Almost done! Here it goes. I know. You want to do it right now. Right this second. What is it? See all that? Look inside. Look inside. Oh, don't eat it, honey. Don't like it? What's in there? What is it? What is that? Yucky. Yucky. Ooh, pumpkin. See inside. What's in there? Oh, yucky. Don't eat it. Give me that. Give it to Mom. Good job. What are you doing? Give it to Mom. Good job. No, give it to Mom, baby. Give me some more. No, honey. No, don't eat it. Spit it out. Give me that. Give it to Mom. Thank you. Thank you. Yay! A pumpkin. Don't eat it. Yucky. Jesus. Look. It's yucky. Thank you. You got a pumpkin. What's in there? Got lots of stuff left.